Welcome to a slow, gentle moment of crafting. Today we are decorating something simple, something familiar, something we often overlook a ladder. Yes, the same ladder that leans quietly in a corner, helping us reaching higher things. But today we are going to give it meaning, warmth, memory, and X-Max magic. There was once a young crafter named Mira. She lived in a small home filled with sunlight and dreams, but times were tough. Money was short, and Christmas was coming. While others bought expensive decor, Mira looked around her home and whispered, there must be a beauty in what I already have. Her eyes fell on an old wooden ladder, scratched, worn, simple. And she smiled because something, the most ordinary things, just need a little love to become extraordinary. Mira gathered a rope of jute, a basket of pine cones, a string of warm fairy lights, a few sprigs of evergreen branches, and her hands, steady, patient, present. She didn't rush, she didn't worry. She simply breathed and began. And now can gather your materials as well. Let your ladder be a canvas. Let your hands be calm. Let your heart be here. Start at the top of your ladder. Wrap jute rope gently around one section. Not tight, just enough to feel natural soft. Place a pine cone here, then another, allowing their shapes to slow and shapes to show. Let the ladder hold them like memories, drop fairy lights, little falling snow glow across the world. You are not just decorating a ladder, you are warming a home. Each moment, a quiet, each choice is soft. Each knot is a breath of mindfulness. A ladder is a symbol. It represents growth, climbing higher, becoming better step by step. It teaches us that progress does not come in leaps, but in small, steady rises. Just like crafting, just like healing, just like building a business, just like becoming who we are meant to be. So, as you decorate your ladders, think as your journey. What step are you on? What steps comes next? There is no rush. Climb gently. Decorate slowly. Grow mindfully. In Mira's village, people walked by her own window and saw the glowing ladder inside. Not shiny, not expensive, not factory made, but warm, natural, peaceful. One neighbor whispered, it feels like home. Another said, I miss when Christmas felt simple like this. And soon people begin to ask, can you make one for me? Can I order a ladder decoration for my sister? Can you touch me how to make mine too? Mira smiled. Her little craft becomes her little business, not because it was trending, not because it was fancy, but because it was true. So here is a message for you. Start where you are. Use what you have. Love what you make. Love your hands, you're enough, your pace is enough. Your trolley is enough. Your style is enough. If you want to grow a craft business, focus on meaning, not perfection. Focus on peace, not pressure. People don't remember what sparkle the most. They remember what feels like love. Now step back and look at your decorated ladder. See the lights glowing softly. See the pine cones rustling like winter memories. See the jute holding everything with quite simple strength. This is not just a decoration, this is your journey. Your patience, your heart made visible. Thank you for crafting with me today. May your home Christmas be warm, mindful, and beautifully simple. Keep climbing, but climb gently. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice